Hi friends, this is the World Dream Cruise and this is from Hong Kong. We are traveling to Philippines, Manila and back to Hong Kong. It's a round trip and this is the place to check in. It's to the ship entrance. We have finished all immigration and all other procedures and you can just see the ship. It's a massive ship, very huge ship, and now we are going to check in here and this is the entrance. Okay. And this is the procedure. And this is the entrance to the ship. And here you can just see one more. It's the Royal Caribbean. That is the Royal Caribbean and this is the World Dream Cruise. And this is on December 29th, 2019. We are going for a New Year trip. Our New Year will be on this cruise. And finally we have reached the ship and we are back to the ship. This is such a massive, huge ship. And finally we are boarded onto the ship. We are on the ship.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Checking the car.
Hey, welcome on board. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Welcome on board, sir.
Thank you. Good morning. Another ship.